In just a few hours, 12 miners would be entombed alive. On May 26, 2006, in West Virginia, the Sago mine disaster struck. A powerful explosion rocked the mine at 6:26 a.m. Flames and toxic gases engulfed the tunnels. Rescue teams scrambled, fighting against time and deadly conditions. 175 rescuers fought through darkness and despair. Only one miner, Randall McCloy, would emerge from the depths. He survived after 41 harrowing hours, alone and suffering. Meanwhile, the families of the trapped miners waited, holding on to hope. The world watched as hopes turned to heartbreak. 11 lives were lost in that dark abyss. The tragedy highlighted the dangers lurking beneath our feet. The echoes of that day still haunt the mining community.